Welcome back, guys. CryptoFly channel. Today I would like to talk about a Polkadot targets updates with my customer Chris. What's happening with the dot? So, guys, all Polkadot maxi. Wait a minute. What the heck? So, Polkadot dump it on the $1.63 on the Binance, right? So this is for every Polkadot maxis who's screaming, we go into the moon because you don't understand the tech. You don't understand the future of the Polkadot. The Polkadot's so great. The jam upcoming, the Gavin Boot is promoted around the world. Guys, Polkadot, it's absolutely the same altcoin, just like all other alts, with almost lack of liquidity, even in the Binance. Right? Because we dump it without any support from $3.23 to 63 cents. And they sweep the listing price on the Binance from August 20. Yes. So it's not the special token. Finally, you understand. So everything what is Polkadot did the last 3 years, it's just a simple marketing. When they pay the Massey, when they pay the Inter Miami, paid a lot of influencer and delivered nothing for the market. And of course, now when maybe all market will recover back and the Polkadot will go to the next target, because next targets, I think, relevant, and $30 still relevant. Everybody's screaming, oh, take a look, that Polkadot's so strong. No, it's not strong. It's absolutely useless coin like any other tokens, which cannot hold the line on some dumps, because the people sell it and the liquidation dump the price like crazy, like any other alts. So the Polkadot is not special, guys. Let's be real. Is it okay to buy Polkadot now? I think yes. Why? Because here, this was the fundamental value of the token. It's like $2.76 on the weekly time frame, and the buy line is $3.70. Anyway, nobody could predict that Trump decision, right? And now it's a zone for accumulation for a long run. So it's okay. But once again, never say never and not fall in love in all of that stupid roadmaps and the promising of the projects. Congrats, everybody, if you add some limit order to buy at $1, $1.50. Congrats. Now you can easily withdraw initial deposit up to 100% and write with the free tokens. That's it. Here also was a funny moment when, the people drove the trend lines, like one tie, second tie, third one, we breaking out, retest, and we should go to the moon. Guys, all of that stuff almost never work. So this is a great example, because the macro, the news can affect the market much bigger with the pumps or with the dumps than just the basic TA and the random lines on the chart. That's why I work with the zone of interest. My zone of interest was $2.69, the buy line, and I'm still waiting my targets for the Polkadot. So everything pretty simple. That's why we can delete that useless trend line. And here also we found the line, found the support at the 27 line. So this is a global FIB, what we track since 2022, and $2.96, it's a great time for accumulation, I guess. I can be absolutely wrong, and maybe at the end we'll go like this one. Is it possible? Yes. So guys, never say never. Who could predict? So the Polkadot will dump in one day 85%. Wow. So imagine you buying here at $4 like for 10K, and on the next day, like minus 850. Nice one. So this is a super tech project who cannot hold the post from the Donald Trump. That's why it's absolutely the same token like any other shitcoin. Just in case. So let's trade it. Let's just trade it, invest it, and distribute it. That's why, guys, once again, if you buy some token in zone of interest and after 100%, you see the profit just all the time with raw initial deposit. So guys, global targets for Polkadot, I think, still relevant. I think if, of course, will not react, and this is the end of crypto, like industry in general, right? I think that 34.57 is still the same target, still relevant target for this cycle. And this is going to be the end of cycle, by my personal opinion. I don't think so the Polkadot will ever hit the new all-time high. So just in case, yes, maybe it's hard to hear, for someone, but it's just my personal thoughts. You can have your own thoughts. Next target, guys, it's if the best case scenario, if we hold the line and just go in a sideline here. This is a take profit line 734, exit line 838, a sweep of actual highs. So this is a middle term targets and a test of zero level 14.5 cents. Got it. Daily. Let's focus on a daily. Usually, like I told you in near protocol video, we can come back and close the 50% of the week. So it can be like $1.77 and 8. I'm not sure about this drop, but we can drop to $2.67 for the value $1.99. If you're okay to buy now, you can buy even now. For global targets, it's still okay because we exactly tested the 27 level. 12 time frame by line, $2.68 for the value $2. Maybe at $2, maybe I will take a look at some futures position on a Polkadot. Take profit line 534, exit line 6 and 4. That's it. I hope people will stop fall in love in any tokens, no matter it's a BTC or Ethereum or XRP or Polkadot. So all of that tokens is just a basic virtual internet token, what we should just trade and not fall in love and all of that promising in social media. So based on charts, it's a good one because we formed the biggest divergence ever on the daily. Here, June 25, this was like $3. And here's a dump, formed the big divergence on ADZ. October 10, we see the 63 cents. Nice one, nice one. This is divergence. It's bullish. Yes, it's bullish. But of course, we can come back and close some 50% of the week. It will be the amazing retest. So this was accumulation. This is accumulation with divergence, and I wish to see another drop because today is a day off in the United States, but it's not necessary, so we will drop now. Maybe not. Maybe we just skip this week and come back to this week in the next bear market. So yes, next bear market, the Polkadot can be on the $1. So weekly time frame, guys. Honestly, I wish to see 50%, something like $2, $2.18. In this case, is it possible? So we will see the crazy reversal move to the top from now. Yes, but I just share my thoughts about it. So we just in the middle on the weekly, based on ADZ. So it's not bullish, not bearish, it's just neutral. Take a look at the direction. We just test the middle line without any money inflow, without any accumulation. Here was accumulation, some pumps. This is a drop, and we still on the middle line, around middle line. Here is direction. Also, guys, no accumulation. Accumulation was here in June 25. But basically, we are at the same level now. Kind of strange. So we just in the middle, no signal to buy or sell. Also, I don't think so. Now it's a great time to sell Polkadot. I don't think so. We are not so far from the historical all-time low again, and I don't see any reason to sell. Maybe, we will see some reaction if the BTC now pump to 116K. We will see this pump on the Polkadot, for example, to 377. After that, we can come back to this point and reversal. So this is possible, yes, because this is a listing price. Oh, not a listing price. It was a support line from September 2020. We several times tested this line. So this is a possible scenario for Polkadot for the next few days, guys. This was a capitulation, disbelief. Now it's optimism on the market on the daily. Weekly, I guess, yes, it's total depression, total disbelief, capitulation. It's a good one. It's bullish. It's bullish. Take a look at the trade on, guys. Buybacks, so this is no signal take profit yet. So this is kind of scary for me. Why we don't see any signal take profit daily? Here was a signal to sell. June 5, we just consolidate and crash. Take profit, buy. Everything you could track by yourself. 12 time frame signal to sell was September 2025. Everybody's screaming, we're going to the moon. We sweep it, after the Fed decision, right? They cut, cut the rates, right? And we dump it. 85% in one candle. It's madness, just a madness. And the Binance is not a low liquid exchange. You know why we dump? Because there is no orders to buy. So it's just a free fall. You press sell and price going down just because it's empty order book. That's the point. So the best case now, if we'll see something like this one and reversal move, guys. So $2 would be good. If not, I don't care. I hold Polkadot now, so I'm waiting my targets. Is for the spot. For the futures, maybe at $2, I will try to catch some futures position with leverages. 12 time frame, still no money inflow. We need to see something like this one, accumulation from the whale. So no liquidity inflow now in the Polkadot daily. Also no money inflow here. We need to see something like this one. Weekly, also we dump it, but without any money inflow. Money inflow need to see something like this one. So guys, just add alert and wait. If you feel okay now for the spot, I guess 328 is a good time to buy. Guys, if you'd like to trade with my customer, because I will show it on this video, just write me the DM. Don't forget your Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.